Good morning, teacher John.
Morning.
Good morning, teacher Joy. Good morning, teacher
Good morning, teacher Joy.
Good morning, teacher
Joy.
Come on, don't chat on it. Okay, please keep quiet now and please prepare your books there. Then later on, after a few minutes, we are going to start now. I'm just only waiting for some of the students. So please prepare your books there.
คุ
Just
ณสกาย
prepare.
นี่ปาไป37ชัดเลย
So do you know what subject are we going to have today?
Mathematics
Yeah, mathematics. So just prepare of it. Prepare your mathematics book and we will go.
Mathematics book and health
Yes, mathematics and health. So prepare of it, your mathematics book. And in just a few
Tomorrow English word and English chef
yeah. We're going to a few minutes, we will start. Just only waiting for the others. At least still have 2 minutes. 2 minutes to wait. You're going to wait them for 2 minutes. One minute more to go.
Good morning, teacher Joy.
Good morning, Namcha. You're newly awake, Namcha? You just woke
Good
up?
morning, teacher Joy.
Good morning, Nicha.
Good morning, teacher Joy.
เพิ่งตื่นเหรอน้ำชา
I'm eating corn.
You
เขาตื่น8 โมงครึ่ง
ป๊อปคอร์น
eat good. It's not popcorn, it's a corn.
I know, I just say corn.
Oh,
ป๊อปคอร์น
China thought tell popcorn. I said it's a corn.
like a popcorn
It's not a popcorn.
It's a corn. If I see you, you.
พ่อ Teacher, my teeth out again.
What is that?
My teeth out again.
What?
My teeth is out.
Ah, your teeth is out again. Oh, what happened? The rat eat it?
Is candy? Teacher, I pooped.
What? You?
She said she pull it off.
Oh. You did your own?
She said she pull it.
You did your own?
I pulled it. I pulled it.
Oh, you twist it. Is it not pain?
ทำไมเลย
Is it not pain?
น้ำนมเหรอน้ำนมเหรอ
ส่วนตรงเนี้ยเรา
Okay, so we
จะ
will
เอา
go.
ยาสีฟันออก
So we
จะ
will
เดา
go
ฝายาสีอ่อนออกจากในตรงนี้
Okay,
แต่อันนี้
keep
อัน
quiet
นี้
now.
เรากินโอริโอ It's noisy
Yeah, keep quiet now and just keep it quiet now.
Not noisy.
Okay, so do you remember what is our topic yesterday? Do you still remember? Who among of you still remember what we have tackled yesterday? Any one of you can remember it? What we have tackled yesterday? What topic?
What topic?
Huh? Oh, you cannot remember?
What?
What we have studied yesterday? What is our topic yesterday? Do you remember?
Volume and capacity.
What is that? Very good, Tapanon. What was that? It is volume and capacity.
This is not happening.
Is that Tapanon, not Tanapat?
It's
Yes,
Tanapat.
It's
not happening.
Tanapat. I know the voice because even I am not looking the video. If I hear the voice, I knew it. Okay. So, you know it already how to measure of non-standard measurement of the volume and capacity, right? Or not yet? Because yesterday, Ranchida did it, the actual measuring of the non-standard measurement of our volume and capacity. So I know you knew it that already because it was being explained already yesterday. But yesterday we have the computation, but still you are confused about it. If I will ask, okay, how many like this, how many spoons you can get? So don't be confused about that one. I want to go back with that lesson so that you can easily understand of it. And please listen while I am explaining so that you can easily understand. Don't play. Always eyes on the PowerPoint. At least you can easily understand it. Do you understand, class? You understand it?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so I will share my screen and go back with what we have yesterday. Okay, so where is that? What page is it? Okay, so here. I will share it to you. Okay, this is it. So this is what we have studied yesterday, where we stopped yesterday, that some of you is still confused about the computation of this one. Here, it tells here, wait, it tells here that 1 tablespoon here, 1 tablespoon is equivalent of how many teaspoons? 3 teaspoons. Remember that one. 1 tablespoon, like the big spoon. Okay, this is the big spoon. Is equivalent of 3 small spoon or teaspoon. For example, that is spoon. Or 3 teaspoon. Again, this one, the big spoon that you call that 1 tablespoon, and the small spoon is teaspoon. So 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3 teaspoon. And example, 1 cup. Okay, this is a cup. 1 cup is equivalent of 16 big tablespoon. 16. 1. This one is big, not small, big. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 tablespoons, 16 big spoons. Do you understand the class? Again, I will repeat it. I will repeat it. Listen. 1 tablespoon, this one, 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3 teaspoon. It was been there. 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3 teaspoon. Then 1 cup, this one is 1 cup, is equivalent the same with 16 tablespoon. Do you understand, class? Do you understand already what are the equivalent of this one? Have you got it now?
Yeah.
How about the others? Have you got it? Who is still confused about it? Huh? Who is still confused about it? Remember, 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3 teaspoon. Then 1 cup is equivalent of 16 tablespoon. Okay, now I would like to ask you, let's see if you really understand or not. Let's say, how many tablespoons? If I will say 12 teaspoon, a small spoon, teaspoon. How many tablespoons? This one is the small. 12 is small spoon. So how many big spoon is it? How many tablespoons?
4 tablespoon.
What is it, Tanapat?
4 tablespoon.
4 Tanapat, 4 tablespoon. How about the others? What is your answer? How about the others? What is your answer?
4.
4 also? Okay, so how did you find out 4? How did you find out 4? Why your answer is 4? Can you please share to me why your answer is 4? Can you tell me? Just because, as you can see, it's over here. 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3 teaspoons, right? But this one is 12. So you need to do this one. 3 divided by 12. And that is 4. Do you got it, class? So 4 tablespoons, how many 3? You can get there. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tablespoons are there. Did you get it, class? Another example. What if 2 cups? 2 cups. How many tablespoons in 2 cups? How many tablespoons? Don't be confused. 2 cups. How many tablespoons are there? What is the,
32 tablespoon.
what was that?
32 tablespoon.
Only Tanapat knows it. How about the others? What is your answer for the others? What was your answer? Come on, because later on, I will let you to answer the workbook. I will see if you know the answer or not. Only Tanapat. Tanapat is very good in mathematics and in all subjects. He's always participating.
One.
What was your answer?
Which one?
2 cups, because you're not listening. 2 cups. What is the equivalent of tablespoons? In 2 cups. What is the equivalent of tablespoons?
2. 32.
How about the others?
32.
How about the others? Okay, why 32? Why we find it out 32? Because as you can see there, 1 cup is equivalent of 16, right? So this one, because 1 cup only is 16, but it tells there 2 cups. So you need to multiply this one into 2. Why? Because I am asking 2 cups. So that is 32. Did you get it, class? Another example. Don't be confused. How about if I will say 5 tablespoons? How many teaspoons are there? It's very easy. 5 tablespoons is equivalent of how many teaspoons are there? How many? Class, just try to understand, class. Just try to do it. How many? Keep quiet, Tanapat. I know you knew it. Just keep quiet. In one tablespoon is equivalent of 3 teaspoons. How about if 5 tablespoons? 5. Just try to count it. Just try to count it again. Try to count it again, China Chot, so that you will not get wrong. Just count it again. 5 tablespoons. Keep quiet, Ranchida.
15.
Just try to count it again. Keep counting of 3.
50.
50, 50, or 15, 15.
No.
15.
1 and 5.
How about the others? Just try to compute it, class. Okay, so here, yeah, it's 15. Why 15? Why your answer is 15? Because it tells there the specific is 1 tablespoon is equivalent of teaspoon, right? 3 teaspoon. So if it is 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3, and I am looking for 5. So just do it 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many 3? 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just add that one. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And that is 15. Don't be confused, class. It's easy. One more time before I will let you to answer the workbook. And I will see if you can really understand of it. Another example. 10 tablespoon. 10 tablespoon. How many teaspoon? Okay. 10 tablespoon. It's easy to compute that one. 10 tablespoons. How many teaspoons are there? Keep quiet, Tanapat. 10 tablespoon. How many teaspoons are there? Just try to compute it. Just try to compute it by yourself. How many? Just try to do it. 10 tablespoon. How many? The equivalent of teaspoon. For China Chot, 30. How about the others?
30.
For Vipada, 30 also. How about the others? What is your answer? Just try to compute it. Come on.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Okay. How about the others? Come on. Okay, so let's find out. Why 30? Why 30? So here, this is still the same. 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3 teaspoon, right? So this one, 1 is to 3. 1 tablespoon is equivalent of teaspoon. But I am asking 10. 10 tablespoons. So you need to multiply it by 3. 10 tablespoon times 3. And that is 30. 30 teaspoon. Do you understand it, class? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Who did not understand? Because I will let you to make the workbook. Who among of you did not understand? Just tell the truth. Who among of you did not understand? Huh? Who among of you did not understand? Ranchida, you still did not understand?
Just a little bit.
Just listen. Don't be confused about it. It's still the same, the multiplication and subtraction. Okay, another, for example, this one. Equivalent is still the same with this. It's still the same. For example, 1 bottle is equivalent of 3 cups. How about if I have 2 bottles? How many equivalent of cups? How many cups? If I have 2 bottles, this one is only 1 bottle, is equivalent of 3 cups. If I have 2 bottles, how many cups do you have?
6.
Yeah, it's 6. It's the same like that. The same this computation. Just only not drawing, just only a word. That's why don't be confused. How about if I will tell, okay, let's go to the words, not the drawing, not drawing. Don't be specific only with the pictures. Be considerate also with the words so that you will not be confused. Okay, so here, how about if I will tell 6 tablespoons? 6 tablespoons. How many teaspoons are there? Teaspoons. Remember, 1:3. 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3. So what is the answer if it is 6 tablespoons? Come on, just try to compute it. Come on, just try to compute it in your house, kids. Pirapat, did you compute it? What is your answer? Hunada, did you compute it? Chanikan, have you tried to compute? Don't be confused, kid. Don't be confused. I did this one is just only a word. A word. It's almost the same with this, but this one just only drawing, and I did just only a word. So don't be confused about it.
Oh my God, it's almost time.
Yeah, it's almost time. Until now, you didn't understand yet. I will not stop until you didn't understand. I will keep on repeating. As what I've told, I will not go. I will not leave the topic until you cannot understand it. Until the student cannot understand it. So how much? How much teaspoons? 6 tablespoons. Okay, for example, this one, kids, remember the one, 1 big spoon. This one, wait, I will erase it again. I told you, right? 6 tablespoons. Okay, is equivalent of how many teaspoons? This one is just only a word. Okay, here is the drawing. In 1 tablespoon, the big spoon is equivalent of 3 small spoon. So now I am asking 6 big spoon. Oh, 6 big spoon. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many small spoon? If I have 6 tablespoons, how many small spoon? Or you call it teaspoon? How many?
6.
No. Just try to compute it, class. 6. This one is 3, right?
Yes.
1 in every spoon, you need to multiply it. That is equivalent of 3 teaspoon. Oh, 3 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon. So how much all in all? Let's count. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So how much all?
It's very
It's 18.
18.
Did you get it, class? Did you get it? Have you got it? Or is still confused? Again, one more time. I will erase this one. For example, kids, this one have 4 tablespoons. Oh, 4 tablespoons, huh? 4 tablespoons. So how many teaspoons are there? How many teaspoons? Remember, 1 spoon is equivalent of 3 small spoons. So how many?
12.
It is?
12.
Okay. Why 12? Let's find out why 12. Because I am asking 4, right? So just try to draw 4. 4, 3, 4. Equivalent. This one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And 3. 3 teaspoon. So just count of it, the 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So that is 12 teaspoon. Did you get it, class? You got it now. Do you understand already? Nawin, do you understand it? Nawin, did you get it? Okay. Can you please get your notebook?
Yes,
Every one of you understand now? Who did not understand? Who among of you?
I understand.
How about the others? Another example, one more example. It's almost time again, and we didn't finish yet this one. For example, here, 5, no, it's here. 3 cups. 3 cups. How many tablespoons? In 3 cups, how many tablespoons? Remember, 1 cup is equivalent of 16 tablespoons. Remember that one. 1 cup, this one is 1 cup, is equivalent of 16 tablespoons. But I am asking 3 cups. If it is 3 cups, how much of it? If 3 cups, how much? How many tablespoons you can have it for 3 cups? Just try to compute it. Just try to compute it. If it is 3 cups, how many tablespoons are there? Ranchida, just compute it. Then later on you tell, I cannot understand. Just try to compute it. Tanapa, Panatat. Just Panatat. Just try to compute
3
Panatat. Narisara, just try to compute it. Benjapon, compute it. Namcha, just try to do it. Just try it.
Understand.
Yeah, just try to compute it. If you understand, just try to compute it. How much? How many tablespoons are there in 3 cups?
48.
For Ranchida, it's 48. How about the others? Okay, why 48? Because 16 because I am asking 3 cups. So 1, 2, 3. So it should be 16. Then just add this one. Just add it. That is 48. Another example. Don't be confused, kids. What if I will tell 6 tablespoons? How many teaspoons? In 6 tablespoons. Remember, that is 1:3. Remember that one. That is 1:3. 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3 teaspoons. So what is your answer? 6 tablespoons. How many teaspoons are there? Come on. Try to answer. Try to compute it.
Eighteen.
Huh?
18.
say 18.
18. Okay, so let's find out if it is 18. Why 18? So this one I have told you, right? 1 tablespoon is equivalent of 3, but I said 6 tablespoons. So let's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so that you will not confuse. Then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Add all of this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that is 18 teaspoon. Do you understand it now, class? Do you understand now? What are the equivalent? Okay, so I will give you. Wait. I will give you 1. I will give you homework, page 103 of your workbook. 103 of your workbook. I will give you that one. As
100 what?
103. This one. Wait. 103 of your workbook. This one. 103. This is your homework. I will give you an example. For example, number 1. It tells there how the volume of perfume in the bottle is how many tablespoons. So just only count it. How many tablespoons are there? So just count of it. Oh, that one is teaspoon. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 teaspoons.
20.
That is 5 teaspoons. Why 20? The volume of perfume in the bottle, because it is just only asking. That is the equivalent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 teaspoons. Do you understand, class? So here, this one is tablespoon. This one is cup. This one is teaspoon. This one is tablespoon, and this one is cup. You can write it over there. Do you understand, class? Do you understand, class? Do you understand it now? Okay, just because it's already time, I will give you.
Number 2.
I will give you all right. I will give you a break already because it's already time so that we can start on time for your health. So we will continue this one tomorrow. So everybody say thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Time.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. See you at 10:30. Come back at 10.